Hi there. I'm making a flat felled seam here, and the first thing I've done is I measured a 1/2 inch seam allowance right there on that side of the cloth, and I put the two pieces face together, and I put the top one right on that line, just like that. After I do that, the next thing I do is I'm going to fold this side right over there like that, and I'm going to tighten that up with a bit of ironing before I take it over to the sewing machine and sew a line of stitch just to the right of this edge. So I'll do that. So like I said, I'm going to fold right over just like that, and I'm going to take the iron and strengthen that fold. A lot about sewing is using the iron, isn't it? Ironing has a lot to do with sewing. There, I think that's good enough as far as the iron goes for now. So now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine. Okay, so now I'm going to lay a line of stitching right along here to the right of that edge, all the way down. That's the plan. Next, I open up the fabric and I push the seam over to this side to cover up this raw edge. Just like that. So now I have it in this position, and I'm going to edge stitch all the way just to the left of that fold, all the way down. There. Now I'm going to pivot that again, and I can feel with my fingertip that edge of the fold where I want to stitch right along. Here we go. There. That's the flat felled seam. So there's my nice, tight, strong, flat felled seam, and that's how it looks on the other side. Cool.